Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your issues that you have on Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will click here in this page of app info. You will click on force stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.